What are you opening?
I'm opening this first box I never seen before.
Yes. All right, ready? Here, lift it open.
What?
Oh, we forgot to show them what you already have. Show them what you have so far.
Oh, and now you have my AO dolls. Them looking at.
And Jacoby, show them your boys you have.
Them looking at this big. I have two of mine, and I need a velvet.
Right.
What are you doing?
Look there, look guys, look. Look. What is that? Come on.
Good turn.
You got another doll. Show
I
'em.
look like her.
Oh, she does. She looks just like her.
I
The
did
hair
too.
and everything. That's cool. Alright, let's see what else is in here.
She has to go next to her. Maybe. And take a picture. She has sparkly.
It's supposed to be like...
She has. Yeah.
The box is really complicated. I don't understand why it's so complicated. I mean, I guess we're just gonna there we go. There you go. Oh. Okay.
It's been under here.
Alright.
Can I open it?
Well, you can open some. You gotta wait for Sissy first though, okay? Okay, so I think you stick your finger there. Wait a minute. Maybe we should start with...
My finger.
Doesn't matter. Shove that in. Shove your finger in there and push it in. Like, okay, hold on. Let me help you. There you go. Now pull this out. Pull this out right here. No, right here. Like this. What'd you get? What'd you get?
Clothes.
More clothes. That's cool.
Does it match her clothes? Let me see. Nope.
I think, well, it's all supposed to be a surprise. There's a whole bunch of them here. All right, Jacoby, you want to open up this one?
I can look.
Shove your finger right there. Push hard.
I think this is
Oh,
going
right
to
here.
be for the boys.
And now pull it out. There you go.
This is going to be for the boys. They're going to put it next to the boys. Okay, guys? Is this for the boys?
What is it? What is it?
Hey, give me that.
Oh, it's another outfit. Oh, you're right, Emery. That one was for the boys, I think. Yeah, that's a boy outfit. It says trouble. And then that one is a girl outfit. Cool.
Sparkly. Let me see if it's
Hold on, let's see what else is here. There's more, guys.
But he needs a shirt.
I know. We'll do that after we find out what else here. Come on, guys. Push this in.
To him.
Okay. Here, pull this one out now. No, this way. You gotta push it down like that.
Okay.
There you go. All right, what's in there? What is it? What is it? What is it? More clothes.
Let's see more.
That's cool.
This one looks cool.
Yeah.
Than that one.
Well, I'm hoping we get some shoes. We need some shoes.
Hey, give me that. I was looking for mine. Wow. Oh, this is for kids. Ow! Is it? Yep. 2 more. This for girls. I know this is for girls. Look at these. Amy, these are for girls.
Oh, shoes. Good. She needs shoes. Why don't you give those to Emery? Emery, why don't you put the shoes on her?
Okay.
Shoes are important. Yeah. Go ahead. Oh, that's smart, Emery. Put them on here so they don't get lost. There we go.
Oh.
Ooh.
Give me some of these.
What's that? Is that more shoes? Oh, thank goodness. We need more shoes for these things. Good, 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 good. All right, put the shoes in here. Good. All right, Emery, you do the next one right here.
I don't know what. But never mind. But
Please tell me it's more shoes. I needed more shoes for these dolls. I keep losing the shoes.
Clothes.
That's cute. That looks like it's a boy one.
Is it?
Yeah, show it to Jacoby.
Is it boy?
Yeah, that looks like it could be a boy one.
I think it's a boy one. Wait, oh, you can use that one for this boy. I guess him don't have a lot of clothes.
All right. Looks like there's 2 more on these, guys.
Okay. I'm gonna do this.
Yeah, that looks like a boy one. Yes.
This one. Wow! Look.
That's cute. All right, Jacoby, this one.
Ow! Huh.
This thing is packed with all sorts of goodies. Here, let me help you. There. Wow.
Is this for me?
Yeah, I think it, could be a boy's one.
I think that
It's got blue and pink, so it can be used for a boy and a girl.
A blue and a girl?
It can be used for a boy or a girl. So yeah, go ahead and put it next to one of your boys.
Oh, next to one of my boys.
Yeah, I think you got everything out of this one. Hope so.
I'm going to give it to Ken.
Yeah, I think this one's done. Okay. Interesting box. All right, let's see if...
Let's do these.
Okay, hold on. That's not how you do it, though. I don't think. I don't know. Let's just take this thing off. And then throw this over there. All right, Jacoby, go ahead. Punch it in. Punch it in. Punch it in.
What's in it? What's in it, Jacoby?
What is that? What is that?
I don't know.
Oh, it's a Pop-Tart. It's food.
Oh, food.
That's
You can use
cool.
it for your boys.
Yeah.
I want to use it for your boys because eat it. We're hungry. Eat it. Hey, it's pink and blue.
Not like
This will be
literally. I
his
mean, just
food.
punch it in with your finger.
This will be
No, just your finger. Come on, you're gonna hurt yourself.
These two will be both of them. I think it's
Annie B, just hold on, baby. Ooh, okay, open it up. Let's see what it is.
he has boys too, man. Did not know. This is a amazing toy. What
What's
the?
that?
What?
I think that's a bracelet.
It's a bracelet for her.
Okay, go ahead, Jacoby. My goodness. look at
Actually, two. What? What the heck is
2 bracelets.
Surprise. Isn't golden?
Oh my goodness.
What is
Let
this?
me see. It's a necklace.
Oh,
That's like a gold chain. Put it around one of yeah, maybe on this one right here. Yeah, it'll go with this black shirt. Put it on him now so it doesn't get lost.
Yeah, how? Wait, it's
Look,
too
it-
small.
No, it's not. Look, you just go like this. You spread it around and
Okay.
put it around his neck. Here.
Would you hold him?
Yeah. Here, Daddy, look.
Look, a golden necklace. What is wrong with
Annie
it?
B, you're fine. Look at that, Jacoby.
Boom! Look at her. Yeah.
She is cute.
I thought how was cool. Hello? Oh,
Jacoby, can you give
Look, Ricochet!
all right, Jacoby, go ahead. Do another one, baby. Man, Jacoby's getting a lot of good stuff too for the
Look at her,
boys.
Dad. Yes. Okay, but this one. Did you got? What is it?
What is it? Oh, more shoes. Good. Is that 2? There's 2
I
of them,
think
right?
these are
Yeah,
for
put them in here.
boys. There's no.
Probably, yeah. Oh, wait, here. Put it on this boy here, his shoes.
Okay.
He needs some shoes on. Jacoby, you do that, please. No, let Jacoby do it, baby. You can open up another one. Or,
Okay.
it doesn't matter. Go ahead. You can put them on, baby.
I can put these on
Yeah,
for
just,
him.
yeah. All right.
Look at shade! Ooh, look at shade. I'm gonna put this one right here. Look at shade!
More shoes! Yes! Put them on that one, Jacoby, so she can stand up better.
Oh, yeah.
Then we just put shoes on your boy for you. So yeah, put those on her so she can stand up better. Oh, thank goodness we got more shoes. If they don't have the shoes on, they don't stand up very good at all. Need help in there? Let me see.
Is that a cool move her making?
My goodness. Yes. She is so cute. I love it.
Shade with me.
She looks very
Let me
cool.
do the other one because she has 9. Look at Shay. Look at Shay. That's it. That's it.
Guys, some stuff is falling out. I just found something.
Underwear. Oh, underwear, visible ghost.
No, go.
Give me that. That. Oh, I cracked it. You're dead.
Cool. Put it right here for now.
It's my turn now, I think.
All right, Emery, go ahead.
Look at Shay, you got it. Do you need help? Yeah. Oh, what is it? What's the?
Oh no.
Oh my goodness! Look. Oh, everybody, look at Shay. Oh, this can be for a hug.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I was thinking.
And then
Yeah.
this
Go ahead, put it
number
on her,
10.
baby.
There's a water.
Okay.
Ah! Have to wait. And I'm just scared.
No, right here, pull it out.
Do you like her moves?
What in the world is that?
What is that thing? I think it's for girls and boys.
For both.
Oh, I think it's for girls and boys.
Yeah, it's for both of them.
What is this?
I don't know. Let me see. I don't know. I think it might be a purse.
Oh, I think it's a bag for them go on vacation.
When they go on vacation? Yeah, you're probably right.
That's for
You guys want
Dad.
to do another one?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Whose turn is it?
It doesn't matter. There's several ones. Go ahead, go.
Your turn. I think I alive. 10 more. Sissy. 2 fingers. Okay. Whoa! Look.
Oh,
A necklace.
necklace.
Wait, this is for wait, this is for your dog. What did I go?
Oh, it is?
Yeah. What did I
Oh, okay. You might want to put it in here then so we don't lose it.
This we don't want to use this for her cute dog.
Mm-hmm.
Let's put it in here.
Okay.
So it's
Okay, right here, Jacoby.
number 10. Ricochet. Ah. I think it's my boy. My heart.
Emery.
This will be. I can't turn this. This is the best toy you got, sis. Maybe that will be for her. This can be for her. Cool. Yeah. Oh, she has that, so that's for her, I think. Wait, it's.
One to go.
Oh yeah. Nobody. Oh, I think this is for for boys because I want it for you. There's nothing in it.
There's nuts?
Yeah.
Huh.
Let's forget it. She picked that.
Alright.
LOL plus. What? Nothing.
Whoops. Maybe some of them are falling. Oh, there. There you go. Let Sissy get that one. Sissy, there you go.
Glasses for her. Cool glasses. Hey, look, they're fat. They're not fat. Wait a minute. Why does it put fat? Can you help me put this on for her, please?
Yes, baby. Hold on.
Get these cool glasses in your head.
Let's see here. Tuck your head. Tuck that behind this one's head.
LOL plus. We have the. We need more.
These glasses are not really staying on very well.
We opened all of them, man. Look, there's a lot. Hey, is this
Here,
one
Sis, you gotta be careful though, because the glasses don't really stay on very well. These ones don't.
Oh, I just put mine on. Ricochet, let's do this. Ricochet, let's do it. Ricochet, ricochet. Take this.
All right.
Ricochet.
Cool.
I bought her sock. I need a sock.
A shirt?
Yeah.
You
Oh,
got
this
several shirts here.
sparkly one.
Yeah, that sparkly one's cool. I like it.
Ricochet was put the other one.
You guys got quite the collection going on here.
Ooh, how about this one? Is this underwear? What
Let me
color?
see. Yes, but I think you have to take the shoes off to put that on. So I would put a dress on her
will
right
someone
now.
help?
Here, put this one on her, Emery. That way you don't have to take her shoes off. Okay. You got it?
No. Can you put this on for me, please? But this is keep coming off.
Okay, give me a second and then we'll get it done.
This one.
Maybe. If I can figure out how to put this. Oh. It's like, there we go. Goodness. Difficult to put on. The glitter is like, there we go.
Wow. Look at shame. Here, let's put his necklace
These are
on.
supposed to be like separated and then.
Look at shame.
Ah, there we go.
Has his own necklace. What's up? What's up? Look, the boy. I can drink water too. He's amazing. Amazing. I can spit.
This is awesome.
Mom, I can spit.
She can?
Yeah, look.
No way. Jacoby, that is super cool, dude.
Whoa, we need this on.
He's already got pants on though.
Whoa, hey, yours spits.
I don't know. I like it better with the pants, dude.
I told
I think it
you.
looks
Wait,
good.
her
Save this
head
for
is
later.
not hard. I mean, her head is not. Did you hold this?
Okay, hold on. We're running out of time, guys. Let's prop them up so we can say goodbye and then you guys can play more, okay?
Okay, bye bye.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Well, let's put them on here so they can all see what all you got. Emery, set it up here so they can all see. Put it right there. There you go, right here. All right, let them take a look, guys. Oh, he's got to fix that. There you go. It's.
Oh, how about her clothes?
Her clothes is fine, baby.
But I want her clothes.
Oh, okay. Here. All right, let's make this quick. Goodness. Gosh, I think I just took a bracelet off. gosh.
Pants. Wow. I think this is pants, Mom.
Okay.
Can we put this on? We need to put this on too.
I got the dress on and it's adorable.
Wait, we need this on. He looks so amazing.
Okay, let's just say goodbye.
And then
I really like that.
Yeah, he's so cool.
All right, guys, show them what you got.
We got this.
Say we're gonna play.
We're gonna play.
Emery, say make sure you subscribe to my new channel.
Subscribe. Let's go 5.
Say
You
bye.
get bye. You get you. I hope you like my this doll. Okay, if you like this video, I like her hand. I like putting on the box.
Say bye.
Bye.